Hello world, this is RandomFIX, and today I'm going to be doing a quick 3-year review of my picks here. I've used these picks because I really got tired of buying the Harbor Freight 99-cent picks. This was a pack of 6 that I bought. I paid I think under 10 or 15 bucks, and so far they've been great. The thing that I like about them is the pick itself doesn't slide out from the handle. Some of the cheaper models that you get at some of the value stores that I like Harbor Freight tend to slip out pretty quickly, but this particular product, after all the use, and this got used at a shop too, they did really well. And then the extra long handle allows me to, if I got to fetch something that's a little deep in there, that's really what it gives you, that flexibility to get in there a little deeper. And so I give this product a RandomFIX thumbs up, just for durability, value, and I like the tray that it comes with. I like to keep it in the tray because it keeps my toolbox a little more organized, and keeps me from having to lose it and replace it. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.